Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I think all are you doing well. Welcome to my class. I am Mohammad Mujammel Haq, Senior Assistant Teacher, Pulistan High School. Again, I am in front of you to take a class for class 7 on English first paper. The previous class I discussed about Unit 4, Lesson 6. Today I am going to discuss about Unit 4, Lesson 9, A Friend of the Poor. Look at the book. Unit 4, Lesson 9, A Friend of the Poor. Dear students, open your book at page 39. Lesson 9, A Friend of the Poor. Section A. Have you ever visited any hospital or healthcare center? If yes, fill in the circles for a healthcare. One is done for you. Here is a diagram. Suppose healthcare center. Now look at the board. This is health care center. This is a healthcare center. Then what is this? In the healthcare center, treatment must. চিকিৎসা থাকবে. Then others what? Then what is others? Then what is others facilities? Then what is others facilities? Then what is others facilities? You think about a healthcare center that you visited or that is located in your area. Then there must be treatment. There must be what is? You think then suppose doctor. So you think about this. I think you already thought. So there may be doctors, there may be nurse, there may be medicine corner or medicine center. There may be sick bed. And think what about others? There may be a operation theater. Operation theater. And others. There may be patient also. Health assistant, staff, others many things. But this is limited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One is done, treatment, and others we write down. Please look at this picture. Dear students, I erase this. Now we go to section B. Please listen to me about the instruction. Here is a text. At first I want to say this is a listening skill based text. At first I listen about Dr. Muhammad Hassan. Then you listen to me very attentively and answer the question. There are 6 questions. You answer this or take the best answer. So I read the lesson about Muhammad Hassan. He is a doctor. He is the friend of the poor. So you listen to me very carefully. Please listen to me. Muhammad Hassan is a doctor. He was born in a village in Mymensingh district. Mr. Hassan got his MBBS degree from Dhaka Medical College in 1966. Then he joined the government service. During the Liberation War in Bangladesh, he worked in a Red Cross hospital. There he saw the sufferings of the poor people. It changed his mind. After the war, he gave up his job and went to his village. He set up a healthcare center there. At first, he started the center with his own money. Gradually, the people of the village found out that Mr. Hassan was very friendly and helpful. So, they began to help him in various ways. He has trained a number of young boys and girls as health assistants. Under his guidance, they have been working in the center. Now they regularly visit the poor of this village and of other neighboring villages to give treatment to the sick people. Dear students, it is a listening text, so I cannot explain it or I cannot say any vocabulary or meaning because it is only listening text. You listen and then answer the question. Understand? So I read again, you listen very carefully. Muhammad Hassan is a doctor. He was born in a village in Mymensingh district. Mr. Hassan got his MBBS degree from Dhaka Medical College in 1966. Then he joined the government service. During the Liberation War in Bangladesh, he worked in a Red Cross hospital. Then he saw the sufferings of the poor people. It changed his mind. After the war, he gave up the job and went to his village. He set up a healthcare center there. At first, he started the center with his own money. Gradually, the people of the village found out that Mr. Hassan was very friendly and helpful. So they began to help him in various ways. He has trained a number of young boys and girls as health assistants. Under his guidance, they have been working in the center. Now they regularly visit the people of this village and of other neighboring villages to give treatment to the sick people. Dear students, here are 6 questions. You look at the book page 40. Number 1. Dr. Mahmud Hassan was born in A village, B. Mymensingh town, C. Dhaka. Then number 2. What did Mr. Hassan do during the Liberation War? A. He took part in the battle. B. He worked for the government. C. He set up a hospital. You try to answer. I only read out the question. Number 3. The sufferings of the poor people made him work in Red Crescent Hospital. B. Changed his mind for working for the people. C. Made him join the Liberation War. Number 4. Dr. Hassan went to his village. A. Before he gave up his job. B. After he gave up his job. C. Before the war finished. Number 5. Dr. Hassan set up a healthcare center. A. With the money of the villagers. B. With government grants. C. With his own money. At last, number 6. The healthcare assistants give treatment to the sick people. A. In and outside the center. B. Only in the doctor's village. C. Only in the neighboring villages. So, I think already you answered the question or take the best answer. Now, check your answer with me. I write on the board. I write down on the board. Dear students, Check your answer. 1. Dr. Mahmud Hassan was born in a village. A village. Number 2. What did Mr. Hassan do during the Liberation War? He worked for the government. Oh yes, number B. He worked for the government. Number 3, the sufferings of the poor people. What? B. Change his mind for working for the poor. Change his mind for working for the poor. For working for the poor. For the poor. 4. Number 4. Dr. Hassan went to his village. It is also number B. After he gave up his job. চাকরি ছেড়ে সে তার গ্রামে গিয়েছিল। After he gave up his job. Next, number 5. Dr. Hassan set up a healthcare center. How? Yes, with his own money. Number C. With his own money. Then last one. The health assistants give treatment to the sick people in and outside the center. Yes. Not only in outside the center, other village, etc. In and outside the center. Number 8. In and outside the center. Okay, dear students, there is the correct answer. You check this. You also today made a listening test also. You listen my lesson, I read the lesson, you listen and then write the answer. It is a test. And in your examination there are, English for today there are 4 tests. 1 listening test, then speaking test, then reading test, then writing test. In the examination you already sit down for reading and writing test. And listening test, speaking test we have done in the classroom. Dear students, we are at the end of the lesson. Now I want to give you a home task. As you have enough time. Now you are in the home. You have enough time. You do not go to outside. So it's very simple. This is a critical moment. Corona time. We need doctor every day. And in the whole country the doctors play a vital role. So I think you should write a paragraph. Write a paragraph about a doctor. A doctor. একটা ডক্টর সম্পর্কে তুমি তোমার মন মতো কিছু প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখবে আর কি, তোমার নিজের অভিজ্ঞতার আলোকে। এই ডক্টর students, before leaving the class, I want to say something. We should stay at home and stay safe. If we go to outside, if necessary or important works, then we use masks. It is a very important thing for this situation. Whenever we go to outside, we use this mask. We maintain social distance and we wash our hands with soap and hand sanitizer for 20 seconds every day several times. We eat protein and vitamin. We take rest. We take regular exercise. We pass our time with very enjoyable or enjoy moment. We do not feel sad, and we pray to Almighty Allah for our betterment and remove this situation. Thanks again. Be safe and take care yourself. Goodbye.